minta maaf hingga dipecat dari pekerjaan. Beredar di media sosial sebuah video yang memperlihatkan aksi tak terpuji dua perempuan saat berada di gedung bioskop, hingga kini minta maaf hingga dipecat dari pekerjaannya.
The information is derived from a post by @Hondra Mitra Sahati Bogor story, which was shared again by the USS Missouri Rebuild account on Facebook. In response to the spread of viral news, in collaboration with Honda Mitra Sahati Jaya Bogor, we, the management of Honda Mitra Sahati Bogor, deeply regret the incident. Even though the incident occurred outside the designated area and working hours, we want to emphasize that such behavior cannot be tolerated as it does not align with the company's vision and mission. Taking this into account, we announce that the employee has been decisively dealt with. After undergoing the co process and considering input from all parties, we declare that the individual is no longer employed at Honda Mitra Sahati Bogor. Any future matters related to our former employee are beyond our control and responsibility. This is our official statement, and we hope that this incident serves as a reminder of the importance of upholding the conduct of all employees under the umbrella of Honda Mitra Sahati Bogor. Thank you. The statement read.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 2, and today we will present our presentation about study case bullying behavioral in public place. Here are all of our member of the group, consisting Naila Anggia Putri, Akila Hasna Yunia, Bielva Fitriana Nurhasanah, Septiani Tri Rahma, Arta Lena Citra, Nasrani Novati Waruwu, and Alexander Dimas Adi. The first one, we will talk about our topics.
So our topics is a viral video on social media shows a group of women capturing the footage of elderly women walking back to and forth to the class of glimpse of a movie poster for the Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes at a cinema. The video, which was uploaded some time ago, the picture of woman and her friends laughing as they record the unidentified elderly woman as she reads the movie poster at the theater or in public places. Next.
The next one is problems introduction. The incident involving the Sales Promotion Girl, or SPG, gained widespread attention on social media due to her behavior being perceived as impolite and disrespectful towards another woman. Not only was the SPG criticized by online users, but they also managed to identify and contact her employer, leading to a public outcry regarding the inappropriate conduct of the company's employee. In response to the criticism, the company, identified as @Honda Mitra Sahati Bogor, took swift action by announcing on their Instagram account that the SPG had been terminated from her position. This decisive response was seen as a stern disciplinary measure aimed at addressing the negative impact of the SPG's actions which had garnered significant attention on social media platforms.
Okay, the next interview roles. Or the first recent person is named Sharifah Nurjahwa, IPB student communication and digital media. The question is, in your opinion, is the action to be thus woman could be just a joke? The answer is, in my opinion, what has been done by a group of women is a thing that violates other people's privacy, because taking photo or video of our people with profession is a violation, coupled with making fun reaction jokes. The next is the reaction of the agency where the woman work apparel or executive. What do you think about it? In my opinion, the thing do the company have become part of this that should happen, because in the company of course has SOP where all employees must be obliged to their work properly and correctly. Hope with incident like this, I don't think it's necessary to be afraid. Immediately is probably to give a warning letter to the perfection, because no feeling a joke is very discard. Next. Okay, the next the name is Hilyatu Soleha, UNJ student sociology education. The answer is, from that I understand this is not a joke. Rather is discovered behavior or moral degradation. I say that because they are anxiety young women who cannot show respect to their elder. So contact like that really bring other people feel to judge for what they are doing badly. Okay, the next is, from the information I got that the agency action was the right thing to do. That is illustrated by the agency placement in overseeing moral on the work. I thought that if they behave disparagingly in society, how can that a good and theory at work? I guess it will be very bad.
Next is name Nadifa Hanum, UNJ student from Geography 2023. The question is, in your opinion, is the actions done by those women could be just a joke? Based on her perspective, it's important for everyone to be mindful of the ethics of joking, particularly in public settings. Not everything is suitable to be joked about, as some topics have the potential to offend others and lead to misunderstanding. It's also disrespectful to record other people without their consent and then share the recording in a context that you create. This kind of behavior can amount to slander and may also violate certain laws, such as Indonesia's Information and Electronic Transaction Law. Second question is, the reaction of the agency where the woman works appropriate or excessive? What do you think about it? Should think the conduct of a woman in public spaces should always be guided by ethical consideration. Failing to uphold ethical standards in such settings can have negative repercussions for her future agency and opportunities. It's important to consider the appropriate social institutional sanction and in response to such behavior, this sanction play a crucial role in upholding societal values and ensuring accountability for one's actions. Next is Givaris Syafa Darmawan, UNJ student from Sociology Education 2022. First question, he answered that he personally don't think it's a joke. It's more like making fun or teasing, and we don't know what the lady felt when she saw the video. So they shouldn't have done that because something like that can be treated as a joke. Second question, he answered like in his opinion, it is not excessive. It's the right action to handling this case because this case should be used as a lesson. It's better that way, given a warning to other people and they couldn't normalize that action in public, especially for posting it on social media.
Dan Agnes Clara Nainggolan, Regent student, Sociology Education 2022. And your opinion is that I shall don't agree those moments only because I don't think it can be said to be a joke. I think logging I at the modern way it I think that is an element of preventing and building the modern lifestyle. In addition, the use of recording, other profit and sharing is ignoring social media and adding some hours order to log IT model is my opinion is inappropriate and at this class. Is version of the allegation for the woman works appropriate or excessive? Why do you think about it? It appropriate so that we want and the can be still waiting item and behavior of the problem safety allegation also become aware of behavior should it such incident do not happen again and take control. Next, ng Dasakon Baru, Rangers Pilihan, Organization Against 2023. And your opinion is the action or maybe this woman only be just a job. In my opinion, the action of a group of women will not be said to be a job because it has been said on social media and that is what we say to start and famous it was a structured jobs that will not be normalized. Installation of the addition was that woman was appropriate as what do you think about it? I don't know if it is appropriate or not good. So I think needs to be punishment for someone who videos random while log it at him and I shall be proceed properly. However, whatever like this, the education think about social norms, behavior, and the team about the diverse of social media in this era, so that I don't happen in the future.
The next one is an interview from Aulia Rahma Kusuma, a student from University of Indonesia, majoring in Statistics 2023. So her answer is, in my opinion, the actions of a group of women can't be said to be a joke because it has been spread through social media and made the privacy of elderly women who got recorded at the social media got viral is losing her privacy and includes excessive jokes that should not be normalized and posted on social media. And the second question answers is she thinks she have had the solution. They have had the solution. The person who did post the viral video gets social punishment by the comments they have received.
Okay, next, the solution given by several search for this interview were Be more mindful of your action and jokes, as not everyone can understand or appreciate them. Be cautious on social media, as viral content can backfire. Teaching praiseworthy moral from a young age through education is crucial, along with society moral requirements and sanctions to determine conduct. It has knowledge on handling bad behavior and promoting moral values in family, friends, and society. Apply social sessions like ridicule and criticism to correct behavior and provide guide on improvement. Uphold ethical standards, avoid excessive interference, and prevent spreading false information. Respect others' privacy and feelings, both online and offline, by being considerate and thoughtful.
And the last one, conclusion. The conclusion from us is it is important to be aware that secretly recording individuals without their consent can be a violation of the law. This type of behavior may fall under the Information and Electronic Transaction Act, UU ITE, and the Copyright Act. If a person feels that their privacy has been infringed upon, any photos or videos taken without their permission can serve as evidence and be reported to the authorities. Secretly recording others also goes against social media etiquette and can be considered as a form of harassment and an invasion of privacy. It is crucial for internet users to be properly educated about social media ethics and understand how laws are applicable in the context of social media.
So that's it for the presentation today. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.